You know what I'm really hoping for to see?
What?
Like the stalagmites. How do you pronounce that?
What is it?
Stalagmites and stalagmites?
Oh yeah, stalagmites.
That's funny.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
So I'm taking you to the Sherman Trail.
The Sherman Tree Trail.
Oh, Sherman Tree Trail.
Yeah.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Jamie did something bad today. What did you do? Tell me.
I didn't put on my sunscreen, and when I don't put on my sunscreen, Lala gets very upset with me.
Why?
Because I'm so white. Get that butt looking right.
It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky.
To your left!
Wow, rude! What is that?
It's called the bean.
We have Lala taking Instagram content while I shoot YouTube content. Look at her in her element. Wow, that was an amazing shot.
The things that you do for a good content.
So hold me tight through the night.
Taking my mom and Lala on an adventure today.
It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me.
Serve it up! Ready? One hand. Oh! Way to go!
I'd rather be than with you.
Watch out, babe. That was a big one.
You're so bad.
We're about to go down this hill, and Lala's like, hey, film me. And I'm like, okay. And she goes, but push me. So she wants me to show you guys that I abuse her all the time. Okay, here we go. Oh my God.
Why didn't you just push me?
I can't believe you love me.
Yeah.